Hey, I'm Jennifer from the Global Clinical Marketing team working on our LOGIQ products. I'm excited to show you the LOGIQ P Series systems today and all of the great new features, probes, and great new workflow tools that we have available on the system. So let's get started. The redesigned user interface has customizable keys, delivering the simplicity and ease of operation you've come to expect from LOGIQ systems. One of the three main pillars of the LOGIQ P Series is personalized workflow. To adapt more to the LOGIQ brands, we have changes in the usability of the P Series systems, which include new joysticks. This is an added benefit to our current customers that are using LOGIQ systems. There is now a dedicated ellipse body pattern button, as well as a color flow, pulse wave, and M mode button. Additional configurable capability available on the LOGIQ P Series includes 7 physical user-defined keys, as well as 4 digital user-defined keys. We swapped the utility and TGC controls and updated the graphics to be the same as the LOGIQ E10 series. In addition to the configurability, the print button and freeze button are interchangeable as needed, depending on customer preference. Digital TGC controls are now assigned to rotary knobs. You are able to adjust the near or the far field TGCs as needed, in addition to creating model-specific TGC curves to improve customer workflow. There are personalized setup tools on the LOGIQ P Series available. With Start Assistant, My Page, and My Preset, users can customize their own workflow preferences and use case presets, and then launch these settings in seconds. With Start Assistant, you can automatically launch preferred settings that may include your probe, your models, and also scan assistant protocols. You simply go into your patient page, you select your exam description, and you start scanning. The system will remember the last probe and the model or scan assistant protocol that was used. This reduces keystrokes and also helps ensure high-quality exams. With My Page, you can customize to include measurements, annotations, as well as body patterns. So users can quickly go to these settings as they perform their exams. My Preset allows users to put any model on one touch panel page. Additional workflow tools available on the LOGIQ P Series include updates in the lymph node reporting page. You can go into Measure and going to your lymph node folder. Then Show Features. Here you can find and describe the appearance of a lymph node, the composition of a lymph node, and also the vascularity. This provides an efficient way for clinicians to perform lymph node mapping when they are measuring and characterizing multiple different lymph nodes in the neck. We also have TIRADs available. TIRADs are a standardized scoring system for reports which provide the user with recommendations for when to use fine needle aspiration, when to follow up with ultrasound of suspicious nodules, and when nodules are benign or not suspicious. We are now able to leverage TIRADs on the LOGIQ P9 series, using criteria to do an assessment of a lesion. So we can tell the system what the composition is, the echogenicity, the shape, the margin, and also if the nodule has any echogenic foci. The system will then produce a TIRAD score. We also will produce a worksheet summary and this improves the diagnostic confidence for our clinicians. The LOGIQ P Series is multi-purpose with a wide variety of applications including abdomen, liver, cardiac, OBGYN, breast, thyroid, MSK, urology, and pediatrics. We have 3 new XD Clear probes now on the LOGIQ P Series systems. The C1 to 6D, the C3 to 10D, and the M5SC RS probe. Our XD Clear probe technology enables our clinicians to get higher resolution using higher frequencies, while at the same time getting great penetration. 2 additional probes being added are the C2 to 7D and 10CD. There are new SRIs available in all applications and probes that will improve the overall border definition and contrast resolution of the image. Here's an example of a lesion in the breast. When we change the SRI to our new levels, you can notice how you're getting better contrast resolution as well as border definition with the different levels of our new SRI. We have many advanced features now available on the LOGIQ P Series, giving our clinicians more confidence to give a patient-centric diagnosis. Advanced features such as shear wave are available. 2D shear wave elastography provides a quantitative measurement of tissue elasticity displayed in a color-coded elastogram to assist in managing patients with liver, thyroid, and breast disease. Now available on multiple probes. And we also now have a shear wave elastography quality indicator. This quality indicator increases the confidence for our clinicians when making quantitative measurements and placing the measurement ROI in the most accurate and high quality area. You can easily turn the quality indicator off, or you can turn it back on with a quick button click on the touch panel. Ultrasound guided attenuation parameter, also known as UGAP, is available on our C1 to 6D probe to assess diffuse fatty liver disease and give a quantitative measurement. Users have the ability to use a quality map, improving placement of the measurement region as seen on the screen here. You can also change to an attenuation map, which gives the user a color-coded map showing the attenuation seen through the liver. The LOGIQ P Series has new automated features. Some of the automated scanning tools include CTO, which with one click of a button optimizes your overall gain and TGC within the image to give you a more uniform image overall, as you can see in the liver shown here. Sono NT, Sono IT, and Sono Render Live are available for improving the overall efficiency when doing OB examinations. Semi-automatic 2D measurement of the nuchal translucency and intracranial translucency are commonly used in the 11 to 13 week assessment. Simply select on the touch panel the NT, place the measurement ROI around the region you would like to measure, and select Set. This will give you an automatic measurement. For the IT, you can also place the measurement ROI around the area you would like to measure, select Set, and this will also give you an automated measurement. The clinical benefit of the automated method is to reduce inter- and intra-operator dependency and increase measurement precision. SonoRender Live optimizes the rendered image. As you can see here, in an image of a rendered fetal face, we can use SonoRender Live to improve that image overall. The SonoRender Live algorithm looks for the transition from solid to liquid and positions the render line for an optimal rendered image. As part of the LOGIQ P Series, we now have the ability to use our AI capabilities in breast and thyroid. Automated lesion segmentation helps eliminate the need to measure lesions manually, and instead can provide a semi-automated measurement, improving overall workflow. The software segments an identified breast or thyroid lesion, automatically tracing lesion boundaries and generating two-dimensional measurements. It also helps ensure consistency among different users or even the same user for documentation and follow-ups. The user identifies the lesion. Then the user clicks on the lesion folder and the auto contour measurement, placing a caliper in the middle of the lesion. Then you'll encompass the lesion with a graphical circle and set. The algorithm then traces the lesion and provides a measurement to the user. The user can also adjust as needed manually. The LOGIQ P Series has AI-based decision support tools which include Kios. This AI-based decision support tool recognizes patterns in breast tissue based on hundreds of thousands of cases. With one click, it automatically provides a quantitative risk assessment that aligns to the BI-RADS category. Results are available in seconds, providing decision support for the clinician and helping to improve consistency across the department. To perform a Kios analysis, you will first acquire two orthogonal planes of the lesion. A length, height, and width would then be taken and the image analyzed. These measurements can be performed manually or by using our auto lesion segmentation feature. Once the measurements are performed, you simply select Analyze, and Kios provides a quantitative color-coded confidence scale, which includes the risk alignment. The Kios feature improves the overall diagnostic confidence for our clinicians and reduces patient anxiety. Additional AI tools available on the LOGIQ P Series include Auto Doppler Assistant. When a user is scanning an artery or a vein, Doppler Assistant can determine the location and direction of the vessels. It can change the color ROI automatically, depending on if you are looking at an artery or a vein, and also place the Doppler gate automatically to make the overall exam faster and more efficient. The LOGIQ P Series provides powerful support to our customers. Features such as My Trainer provide self-training modules available on board, online, or in the app, helping users increase their skills. Our Sono Defense provides powerful defense in-depth features to help keep your system functional in the face of cyber threats and protect patient data from unauthorized access. LOGIQ Club has a network of thousands of fellow LOGIQ Ultrasound users. Club membership gives you access to many tools and resources which are only available to members, helping you experience the full power of your LOGIQ Ultrasound system. Members are regularly informed about developments in LOGIQ ultrasound technology and provided with special offers and opportunities which are announced on the club's own LOGIQ Club website. Thank you everyone for joining the LOGIQ P Series overview with me today. Hope you learned a lot and look forward to seeing all the great new features, the new user interface, and the new probes on the LOGIQ P Series systems. Have a great day.